Honda Civic. Made some repairs. Bumper not totally fastened on either side right there because I want to do a little bit extra work before I fasten that up. Marker lights are out, of course. There's my new wheels, new tires. New fender, new door to replace the caved-in door. Cleaned it. I need to clean it up and then go around and mark. As you see, I've done some, but it washed off. Go around and mark all the body work that needs to be done. I don't know. You know, I'm kind of digging the factory color with nice satin black trim again. I don't know. Quite a few dents in the roof. Still, I don't know if you can see them or not, but there's a whole bunch of them in there. It's like 15 dents in the roof. And replace that little panel back there at the back. I'm really liking that factory color, y'all. I don't know. Plus, it would make it a little bit easier on painting all the jams and under the hood and trunk. Wheels look nice on there. I like it. I like getting 40 miles a gallon too. I don't know. Tell me what you think. See you.